Homemade tortilla is not comparable with what you get in supermarkets. The quesadilla and taco you make with them are outstanding. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. In this video I want to show you how to make homemade wheat tortilla. But that's not all, I have more to show you. You will see also how you can stuff them. For the tortilla dough we need 375 grams all-purpose flour, 60 ml vegetable oil mixed with 160 ml water, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon baking powder. For the stuffing I use 400 grams chicken breast, 1 teaspoon of each black pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, coriander powder, 1 onion and 2 garlic cloves. For the pico de gallo I use fresh coriander, 2 small onions, 3 tomatoes, 2 hot peppers, 2 cloves of garlic and lime. Let's get going. First I make the tortilla dough. I mix the salt and baking powder with the flour, then water and oil mixture. Work with it until everything comes together and the mass is formed. If the mass feels dry, add some water like 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now you see the dough is formed and you have to knead it to get the gluten out and give the dough a fine structure. I have another video where I make oriental stuffing for my tortillas. I put the link in the description. I let the dough to rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we prepare the chicken for stuffing. I cut the chicken breasts in stripes. To make the marinade, I mix 2 tablespoons vegetable oil with the spices and give them a stir. Add the chicken stripes in it, mix it well to cover all with the marinade. The chicken needs to rest 20 minutes. Until the chicken is marinated, I slice the onion and garlic for frying with the chicken later. I also cut the freshies for the pico de gallo. Pico de gallo is a salsa with fresh ingredients without cooking and frying them. Another difference is that we don't mash the ingredients, they are diced and chopped except garlic. There's a Persian salad called Shirazi which resembles pico de gallo. You can find the link to its recipe in the description. If you have jalapenos, it's perfect. If not, every green hot pepper will do. Now we mash the garlic the chef's way. We turn the knife to use the dull side because I crush the garlic, not slice it. Add some salt into it and then use the flat side of the blade to make a fine puree. I roll the lime against the cutting board using the palm of my hand to get the most juice out of it when I cut it. Now I mix it well. Chop the coriander and get it into the rest of the ingredients. Now we get back to tortilla dough. It's already rested enough. And I divide it in 10 equal pieces. If you want smaller tortillas, you can make 12 to 14 pieces. Make little balls out of them. And then flat them with a rolling pin. The dough is stretchy and strong. Of course, you try to make them more round than mine. Warm a pan on medium heat and lay the tortilla on it. When the bubbles appear, the tortilla is ready to flip to get its other side baked. The tortillas are really soft and flexible to fold. Now it's time to fry the chicken. Heat up 5 tablespoons olive oil to the smoke point and get the chicken into it. The oil should be hot because I want the pieces of chicken fried, not cooked. When the chicken is halfway fried and brown, I add the sliced onions and garlic to it and keep frying them. At the end, add some salt. To make quesadilla, again warm a clean pan or you can reuse the tortilla pan. Then warm a tortilla on medium heat. Spread cheese on it. Add salt to it and then add the chicken only on a half part of the tortilla, because you're going to fold the other half over it. Let the cheese get warm and glue everything together and flip it to the other side. Done. You can also make taco with a siame tortilla. Add some chicken and then pico de gallo on it and you have a delicious homemade taco. Simple as that. It's a whole new level in my quesadilla experience. If you liked the video, give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.